Hey guys, Nathan from CNA Scientific here. I'm here to teach you how to reassemble your microscope eyepiece. Now, whether it came disassembled within the kit or you just had to clean the lenses, at some point you're going to need to reassemble this. You should have 5 pieces to begin with, 3 black and 2 lenses, as seen here. To begin, take the piece with all the grooves on the top and place it down facing upward. Next, take your largest lens, which, if they're about the same size, you're going to look at the width. And if the width is the same, then it doesn't really matter which lens you take. So take your largest lens and place the flat side facing downward. Slide it into that groove right on top. Next, take your tall, flat piece and slide it right on top of that lens. Should sit snugly there. Next, take your second lens and place the flat side facing upward. Finally, take your last piece, slip it over the entire thing, and screw it in tightly. It should fit into your microscope tube like so, and then you have a working microscope. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if you need any further assistance, contact us at 703-330-1413 or at cnascientific.com.